Hi guys, welcome back. Whew, what an effort. I just finished putting all the new Daleys fruit trees in pots, and I'm moving on now to the veggies. I'm not going to do the tomatoes today. I'll leave that for the next few days, but I will be doing the sweet potato. So that's the finished product. I'm letting the water dry on these guys so I can put them away, as we're gonna have wintry weather starting tomorrow, Wednesday, until Saturday. Wow. And I don't want to take any chances. Even though it's spring and the temperature is nice, not for these guys. We're not talking about apples and pears. All right, jackfruit and sapotes don't like temperatures below 10. Below 10 Celsius. Not when they're young. Once they're established, no problem. Still windy. Still windy. Hasn't stopped. Darn. It's keeping me on my toes. So let's go out there and see what I'm doing. Where I'm going to plant the sweet potato and the, what was it? Yacon. Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice to have a abundance of fruit and flowers in your fruit garden. So this is what I started doing in the last 20 minutes. I pulled out all the nasturtium, which was growing over the last 10 months, I guess, since last summer. It covered all this area here, all the way through, and all the way down there, and all the way down there. It covered everything here. Let's see if I can get widescreen. Yeah, it covered everything here. There's some more there that I threw out, and came out easily. No back-breaking work with this guy. Very delicate, very soft material. So this is where I'm gonna be working before it rains. Seems like it's gonna rain. Yeah. Oh yeah. It sure does. Perfect. Perfect weather for putting in what I'm gonna put in. So guys, as I showed you in the previous video, I got 4 Yacon plants and 1 sweet potato. I'm planning, by the way, I'm not an expert with vegetables, so I know I'm going to make some mistakes here. Please correct me. I know you will. I'm going to plant a sweet potato in that hole there, right? And the 4 Yacon, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 in a pot, just to try, to test. And I'm going to be using mushroom compost. Mushroom. All right. I was watching some YouTube videos on how to do this, and it said you're meant to put them on mounds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mound these holes with a compost and sit the plants on top. So wish me luck. By the way, this is a snail infested area and earwig hell. I hope I don't lose my tender delicious leaves to these critters, especially when it's going to rain tonight. So it's a risk I take. That's one of many reasons I don't like vegetable gardening. Yeah, snails, earwigs, or whatever it's called in America. I forgot the name now. And nematodes, you name it. They all come out when it rains. And they love this dirt, and they love these young greens. So, here we go. Wow, the sun came out. Melbourne's crazy weather. 1, 2, 3. 3 different seasons in one day. Okay guys, done. Okay. Gee, I think I need a good rest after all this work. The trees and these veggies. I'm not looking forward to planting the other veggies. So painful. I know a lot of you guys love it. Actually, you prefer it. Wow. You prefer it, but not me. I prefer fruit. So much easier to work with than these little babies. Okay guys, so in the pot, like I said, compost at the top, native soil at the bottom, on all holes, right? Yacon, and sweet potato there. Not the best place for it. I know it likes to spread. I was going to put it in here, but I've got Japanese ginger there. See it? Myogi. And a couple of peace lilies that got torched over winter. I need to clean these up. So that was the best spot right there, right in there for the sweet potato, but I wasn't going to go pulling out that ginger. That ginger's been there 5 years. Yeah, so you'll just have to make do in there. Do what you do. And by the way, it's like we've got a hurricane coming. The main reason I planted the sweet potato was for the green leaves, more so than the potatoes. Okay, so that was the main purpose. Wow, macadamia is getting smashed. Yeah. All right, guys, that's another job completed for spring. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I've got to find a place now for all this what's it called, nasturtium. I reckon there's around $2,000 or $3,000 cash sitting right there for a industrious person to cut up into small cuttings. But that's not me. I'm not industrious, entrepreneurial. So it's all gonna go to the compost heap. At least it'll pay me in some way. All right, guys. Like and share and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you from the next video. Bye-bye now.